Hi there, Sherry from Side X Side Enclosures. Here with the Can-Am Maverick X3. This is the X3 Max, as you can see. The X3 is going to be the same idea, except of course it only have the two doors. When you receive your enclosure, you'll get the two sides like this. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you'll take some rubbing alcohol. You're going to want to clean all along up underneath your roof here. It might be easier if you loosen a roof, and clean your roll cage with rubbing alcohol. And then we'll give you a little tube of adhesive promoter, put a little bit on a cotton ball, and rub it along your roll cage too. It'll help the Velcro to stick. Then what you're going to want to do is go ahead and run strips of Velcro up. If you have a windshield that has clamps, you'll just run them in between your clamps. This one doesn't, so I just ran a full strip. And then you'll just run little pieces, along your roll cage in here. And these are just to help the enclosure stay on. So then you'll take your side, and the first thing you want to do is go ahead and unzip your two doors or four doors, whatever you have. I got Velcro strips sticking together here. You go ahead and unzip the doors out of them. This one, you take the front door and the back door. Just makes it easier to work with. So you'll start at the back. You'll come back and you'll see where this should sit. Right back along the edge of your roll cage, and just follow this molding down like so. So then what you're going to want to do is, you'll see all these straps. Keep one up, one down, and you'll want to go ahead and start tucking it and attaching it to that Velcro up underneath your roll cage. Keeping these straps up out of the way, one inside, one outside, and stretch it forward. And just tuck it just underneath the lip of your roof. And like I said, if you loosen your roof, it's a lot easier. This one I didn't loosen the roof. Now this one has the factory mirrors. You can see when you order, if you let us know you have the mirrors, we'll make a cutout that'll actually go right around the mirror. And then you'll just keep running it down the front edge of your roll cage. And you have all these straps, and you'll want to loosen your mirror, or I'm sorry, your windshield also. So you have all the straps. You can see we went around the mirror. But you don't want to attach these straps just yet. At this point, you'll go ahead and you'll zip your doors on. Because having the doors zipped on is going to let you know that you have it sitting exactly the way you want it, height-wise, front and back. These straps only get in the way until you can strap them up. Now we offer this enclosure with just Velcro to attach to your doors, or you can add snaps. You can add pop rivet snaps, you can add self-adhesive snaps. The most durable is the pop rivet. Those you do have to drill your machine. So once you have your doors in place, you can judge, if it's where you want it height-wise, front to back. You want this to come to the back of the door. Same with this back door. You want it to come to the back. So it looks like we're in pretty good shape. So this one we put the snaps in so you could see. You can do, again, just Velcro. You can do snaps and Velcro. It's your choice. You make that decision when you check out. For me, I do just the Velcro. It's very sturdy Velcro. And then what I do is I'll just put, we didn't want to put a couple in for this, but I just put little pieces where I want them. And again, you'll clean it with the rubbing alcohol, use the adhesive promoter. If you're using snaps, if you're using the pop rivet snaps, at this point you'll see where everything's going to be. You want to take a little piece of duct tape and put about where you think the snap's going to be. Take the snap, and push it into the duct tape. It'll make a little circle. You'll know where to draw your hole. Yeah, so at this point, you just attach everything however you choose to attach it. I already have a little pieces of Velcro on this one. So, and then you'd take your straps when you know it's right, and you'd loosen your windshield, tuck these around the roll cage, wrap all your top ones around, and then, and that's easier if you take your doors off and you can reach in and tuck it up underneath. And the back one, just wrap it around. And it goes around the roll cage, and you attach it also. So that holds everything real steady in place. So you can see how you'd, at this point, how you would open and close your doors. Open to get in, you just unzip, reach in. You can see your door fully opens. You get inside, there's a zipper hole inside, and these will be out of your way. You just zip it up. The back door works the same. Unzip it, reach in, open the door, get in and zip it back up. If you're heading out and it's cold and you're all zipped up and it warms up, what you can do is just unzip your door, take it off, roll them up, we give you a little storage bag. You can put them in the storage bag, keep them in the UTV. Let's say it starts raining and you're out. In a matter of a minute or two, you can just zip your doors back on. It's easier when they're held down permanently, this one is. Zip your doors right back on, and you're nice and warm and ready to go again. Again, this is Sherry from Side X Side Enclosures, 724-614-7660, or www.sidexsideenclosures.com. Thank you and have a good day.